are you? I hope you are fine. I'm also good. What are you going to do today? Can you guess? Okay. Now, what did you discuss last day? Can you remember? Of which subject? Okay. Your English subject of grade 1. Grade 1 English. This book. Do you have this book? Okay, this is your English book of grade 1. I hope you are with your book and other needed materials. Are you ready for our today's class? You need some crayons or color pencils. Crayons like this, okay? And pencil, your notebook, a copy, and your English book. Today we are going to study about what? Can you guess? Okay, now let's make a guess. What did you discuss last day? In our previous class, we discussed about the alphabet. Which alphabet? Yes, good. We discussed about the alphabet H. Now look here. There is alphabet H, okay? Both uppercase alphabet H and lowercase h, okay? What is H for? Can you tell me? Yes, what is this? Horse. H is for horse, yes? Okay, in our last class, we discussed about the alphabet H. We learned many words starting with alphabet H, and we also learned to trace over the H. Okay, so today also we are going to deal about the alphabet H here. Okay, today also we will do different things: coloring, writing, and reading, different things. Okay, so here we are going to deal about the alphabet H. Are you ready? Okay, now we are going to start our class with a song. In our previous class also, we learned to sing a song. Can you remember? Yes. Which song did you sing in our previous class? Yes, we learned to sing a song about the alphabet H. Means the words starting with the alphabet H. Okay. Now here also we are going to repeat the same song. Can you remember? Can you sing with me? Okay. Because you have already learned to sing, we'll sing together today. Okay? बुझिरहनु भएको छ? हामीले अस्तिको क्लासमा एजकै बारेमा पढेको थियौं है। एजको बारेमा हामीले के पनि गाएको थियौं? गीत पनि गाएको थियौं है। आज पनि हामी त्यही गीतलाई फेरि रिपिट गर्छौं है त। Okay? Are you ready? Now let's sing it together. Okay? सँगै गाउँ है त। Okay. Now let's sing. It's for hello, ha ha hello. It's for hello, ha ha hello. It's for what? Horse, ha ha horse. It's for horse, ha ha horse. It's for hot, ha ha hot. It's for hot, ha ha hot. It's for house, ha ha house. It's for house, ha ha house. It's for hotel, ha ha hotel. It's for hotel, ha ha hotel. It's for hand, ha ha hands. It's for hand, ha ha hand. It's for hair, ha ha hair. It's for hair, ha ha hair. Do you have hair? Yes, I also have hair. Yes, I also have hand. Okay, it's for hair, ha ha hair. It's for home, ha ha home. It's for home, Do you have home? Where do you live? Yes, we live in home. Okay? Okay. It's for holiday, ha ha holiday. It's for holiday, ha ha holiday. What do you do on holiday? We do different activities. Yes. Now look here. People are riding on the elephant. Yes. Okay. Holiday. H is for handsome, ha ha handsome. H is for handsome, ha ha handsome. H is for hospital, ha ha hospital. H is for hospital, ha ha hospital. H is for hundreds, ha ha hundred. H is for hundred, ha ha hundred. Can you see 100 rupees note? Yes. Okay. What words did you find there in the rhyme? All the words are highlighted here. Can you tell me some words that start with the alphabet S? अब यहाँ हाइलाइट गरेको छ हेर्नुस् है सबै एच बाट स्टार्ट हुने वर्ड्सहरुलाई के गरेको छ हाइलाइट गरेको छ means they are in other color. Yes, another color. Okay, now tell me the words. I'll tell the words that they start with the alphabet S given in the song. Okay, now you have to repeat with me. Okay, are you ready? यहाँ हामीले राइममा पढेको वर्ड्सहरु एच बाट स्टार्ट भएको वर्ड्सहरुलाई हेरौं त हामीले सबैलाई हाइलाइट गरेको छ हलिडे ह्यान्डसम हस्पिटल 100. These are the words starting with the alphabet H. Yes, so we have highlighted here and we'll repeat these words. We'll read these words once more. You have to follow with me, okay? All of you follow me, okay? Hello. Next, horse. Are you telling with me? Are you reading with me? Okay, follow me, okay? To tell the words. मसँगै भन्नुस् है त म भन्छु अनि हजुरहरुले म पछि पछि भन्नुस् है त Hello. Good. Horse. Can you see horse here? Horse. Look at the beginning words. Beginning letters, okay? यो सबै वर्ड्सहरुको beginning letters हेर्नु त कुन लेटर छ Hello. H is for hello. H is for horse. Okay. Next one. H is for heart. Okay. H is for heart. We also have heart. Yes. We all of you have heart. Yes. In our body. Next. H is for house. We live in house. Yes. H is for house. Okay. Next one. H is for hotel. H is for hotel. Okay. Have you ever gone to hotel to eat something? Yes. We have gone. Yes. Next one. H is for hand. We also have two hands. Yes. How many hands do you have? Two hands. Yes. One hand and another hand. Two hands. Okay. Hand. H is for hair. We also have hair. Yes. H is for hair. Next one. H is for home. We live in home. Okay. Next. H is for handsome. We saw handsome boys. Yes. We see handsome boys. There are many handsome boys. Handsome man. Yes. Okay. Next one. H is for holiday. Which day is holiday of the week? There are 7 days. Yes. And there is a day which we call holiday. Yes. हाम्रो 7 days हरुमा एक दिन holiday हुन्छ नि कुन डे हो Sunday हो त No. Monday हो No. Which day is our holiday? Yes, of course, Saturday. Saturday is our holiday. Yes. What do you do in holiday? Do you go to school on holiday? No. We Don't go to school on holiday. It is our leave. हाम्रो हलिडेमा के हुन्छ? छुट्टी हुन्छ, घरमै बस्छौँ, स्कुल जाँदैनौँ है. This is holiday, okay? Next. H is for hospital. Hospital. Are you telling with me? Good. Have you seen hospital? Yes. We have to go to hospital when we are sick. Yes. Okay. Again, H is for hospital. Good. H is for hundreds. Hundreds. Have you ever got 100 rupees? Someone may have. Okay. 100 rupees. And next one. Okay, we have completed reading the words that were there in our songs. Means these words started with the alphabet H. Because we are going to read about the alphabet H, we read different words there. Okay, starting with the alphabet H. Okay, now we are going to read letters. We are going to tell the letters. Okay, which letters are those, or which alphabets are those? Okay, now you have to look here and tell me what is this. Okay, are you ready? Read means I'll show a letter here. Okay, I'll show an alphabet here. Then you have to name the alphabet. Okay, अब म यहाँ एउटा एउटा अल्फाबेट देखाउँछु, लेटर देखाउँछु अनि तपाईहरुले नाम भन्नुपर्छ त्यसको है. For example, look here. What is this? Is this A? No. What is this then? Okay, this one is Z. Good. This one is G. Which G is this? Is this uppercase G or lowercase G? Capital G or small g? Good. This is lowercase g or small g. Okay. Next one. What is this? Okay. Tell me. Fast. Good. This one is D. Okay. D. Which D is this? Is this uppercase D? No. This is lowercase d or small d. Good. Next. What is this? This one is this E? Is this B? No. Is this E? No. Is this A? No. This one is F. Okay. Is this uppercase F or lowercase f? This one is lowercase f. Okay. Good job. Now next one. What is this? This one is this G? Is this A? Is this A? No. Is this C? No. Then what is this? This is our today's topic. Last day also we discussed about it, and this one is okay. H. Good. This one is H. Is this uppercase H? No. This is lowercase h. Good job. Okay. Let's read next one. What is this? Is this C? No. Is this A? No. What is this then? This is E. Okay. This is E. Lowercase e or small e. Good. Good job. You all did very well. Okay. Now we'll go to next activity. What is next activity? Are you looking at your book? Are you looking there? Okay. Next activity is this one. You have to look and say. Look at the pictures. Look at the alphabet here, the red alphabet, and also look at these alphabets. What is this? What is this one? Yes, H. Okay. This one is S. Is this lowercase h? No. Lowercase means small h. Yes. Is this small h? No. This one is capital H or uppercase H. Okay, and this one is also H, but this one is lowercase h. Okay, are you listening me? Sundhe hununcha eh? Okay, now look here, look at the pictures and try to name them. Okay, all the pictures are their names are started with the alphabet H, because today we are going to study about the alphabet H. Okay? Now name this picture. What is this? Can you name it? Yes, house. Okay, house means H is for house. H is for house. Okay, next one. What is this? What is this? Horse. Good. H is for horse. H is for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse means H is for horse. Okay, and next one. H is for, what is this? You also have this. H is for hand. H is for hand. H is for hand. It also starts with the alphabet H. Okay. Now let's name the picture once more. Okay. H is for house. H is for horse. H is for hand. Are you following me? Okay, follow me. Okay, look and say. You have to look at the picture and say the name once more. Follow me. Okay, H is for house. H is for horse. H is for hand. Okay, H is for house. H is for horse. H is for hand. We also have hands. Yes? Good. Next one. Let's go to next one. What is this? Can you name this? Okay. Have you seen it? What is this? Hen is. H is for hen. H is for hen. Yes? Okay. Once more please. H is for hen. Good. Next one. What is this? This one is hat. This one is hat. Yes? We put hat here on our head. Hat on head is hat on head. Means this is our head. We put the hat on our head. Yes? Okay. Now H is for hat. H is for hat. Good job. You did it very well. Now, are you enjoying? Okay, good job. Now we have next activity. Okay, this one is writing activity. So you should be ready with your pencil here. Do you have pencil? Okay. Now take out a pencil. We are going to write. Okay, we are going to write. You can see at your book. Okay, look at your book, page number 63. There is activity to write, means to trace over the alphabet H. Okay, you have to now trace over the dots and write the alphabet H. Okay, both H, uppercase H and lowercase h. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, now start writing in your book, page number 63. Okay, now look at me and you write along with me. Okay, म यहाँ लेख्छु, तपाईहरु बुकमा लेख्नुस् है त, पेज नम्बर 63. Okay, trace over the dots. Okay, join the dots, join from here to here, here to here, and here to here. Okay, again join from here to here and here to here. H is drawn. Yes, this one is uppercase H. Then let's draw lowercase h. Okay, lowercase h. Join the dots and make h. Okay, this one also. Are you doing with me? Good. Hold your pencil correctly here. Okay, don't hold your pencil here. Your handwriting will not be good if you do so. So hold your pencil here tightly. Okay. H. Uppercase H. This one is uppercase H. Yes. And lowercase h. This one is lowercase h. This is uppercase because we write from here to here, and this is lowercase, we write from here only. Okay, in the middle. Okay, now let's complete it. Okay, are you doing with me? Okay, look, do with me. Okay, lowercase h, uppercase h, capital H, and this one is lowercase h or small h. Okay, now do this yourself. Okay, you have to complete it yourself. Draw or join the dots and make alphabet H. Join from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. It is very easier, yes? Do the remaining yourselves, okay? Baki apai गर्ने है bookमा. Complete it in your book, okay? Now we are in next activity. It is very interesting one. What is this? Can you guess? This one is, now this one is coloring. Are you ready with crayons? Do you have a set of crayons? Crayons, okay? Or if you don't have crayons, you can also use color pencils, okay? Now we have coloring activity. Do you like coloring? Yes, you like coloring, yes? So take out a crayons, a red crayon, okay? Take out a red color, then we'll color the things here. What is there to color? Let's see. Okay, now look at the charts. You can see, what can you see here? Different alphabets are given here, yes? Different letters are given here. First of all, we have to read the letters and we have to color the box which has the alphabet H, okay? Are you getting me? बुझ्दै हुनुहुन्छ? बक्समा हेर्नु त यहाँ लेटर्स नै लेटर्स दिएको छ है अनि यो लेटरलाई फर्स्टमा के गर्नु पर्यो पढ्ने we'll read the letters and we'll color the box where H is written, okay? Uppercase H as well as lowercase h. Are you getting me? बुझ्दै हुनुहुन्छ है अघि हामीले दुईटै uppercase h पनि lowercase h पनि लेख्न सिकेको है. We learn to write uppercase and lowercase h. Now we have to recognize here or we have to know, चिन्नु पर्यो फर्स्टमा अनि त्यसपछि कलर गर्ने. कुन बक्समा कलर गर्ने? The box which has the letter alphabet H, okay? H भएको बक्समा चाहिँ कलर गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, now first of all let's read the letters, okay? What is this? Is this H? No, this one is B. Good. Is this uppercase B or lowercase b? Good. This one is uppercase B or capital B. Yes. Should you color here? No, you should not color this B. And let's go to next box. What is this? This one is? Good job. This one is eighth. So we should color it. Yes. Eighth मा तब color गर्नु पर्यो नि हैन? This one is eighth. Is this uppercase H or lowercase h? Good job. This one is lowercase h or small h. Yes. Now let's color it. You have to color the whole box, okay? I hope you like coloring and you will color it very carefully. Are you doing with me? Up, down, up, down. Fill up with color properly, okay? Okay, now eighths. This box has eighths, okay? And next one, what is this? Is this eighths? No. This is, tell me, this is C, okay? This one is C. You don't have to color. And next one is D, lowercase d or small d. You don't have to color it, yes? And next one is, what is this? It's good. Now you have to color here, okay? It's box ma ta color garnu paryo. This is uppercase H or lowercase h? Good. This one is uppercase H. This one is lowercase h and this one is uppercase H or capital H. Yes. Now let's color it. Color garne hai aba. Color the whole box, okay? यो box लाई नै color गर्नु पर्यो. H, yes? Good job. Next one. Is this H? What is this? A, uppercase A, yes? You don't have to color it. This one is also A, lowercase a, yes? And here is H, okay? Now color the box which has X. You have to H. You have to color yourselves, okay? आफै कलर गर्ने है. अब मैले दुईटा एक्जाम्पल देखाएको छु. अब H भएको जतिलाई सबै के गर्ने? कलर गर्ने. Color the box that has H. Do it yourself. This one is H, yes? Now fill up with color yourself, okay? अब आफैले भर्नुस् ल. And this one is this H? No. This one is E, lowercase e. This one is F. Let's read, okay? F, H. Again, you have to color lowercase h, okay? You have to color this box, okay? And next one, this one is B. This one is G, okay? This one is H. Again, you have to color here, okay? You have to color here, okay? And again, this one is H, uppercase H and lowercase h here. And again, what is this? Same H, yes? You also have to color this box. And again, what is this? H, uppercase H. This one and this one same is. So, uppercase H. Color this box too. This one is C. This one is B. This one is H. Again, lowercase H. Color this box too. And this one is G. This B. This H. Okay? Okay. Color this one. This E. This C. This one is H. Again, color this box. Okay? And this one is D. This one is B. This one is H. Uppercase H. Now, color this one. This one is F. Good job. Now, you have to fill up with colors the box that has the alphabet H. You have to complete it yourself in your book. Are you getting? अब के गर्नु पर्यो यहाँ हामीले बक्समा एच भएको बक्समा गोलो लगाएको छौं दुईटा बक्समा कलर गरेको छौं अब बाकी आफैले गर्ने बुकमा है you have to do it in your book. Okay, now we have another activity. You have to, first of all, you have to read the letters and make words, okay, from the letters or the alphabets that you have already discussed. Hey, what is this? Read it. H, and read this one too. E, and read this one too. A, and read this one too. Okay. Now read these letters. H, E, A, D. Head. It makes the word head. Yes. It makes the word head. These letters makes the word. These letters make the words head. Yes. H, E, A, D. Head. Now read the letters here. H, E, A, D, head. This is one letter, this is one, this is one, and this is one. These all letters make a word that is head. That is there in our body. Yes, this is our head. Now spell the word head once more. H, E, A, D, head. Okay. Now we also do another one. अर्को पनि यस्तै बनाउने है त. Are you interested? Read this one. What is this? H. Yes. And this one? E. Okay. Two letters. Yes. And make a word. H-E, he. H-E, he. Okay. Now read it once more. H, E, he. H, E, he. Okay, we can make words by joining letters. Okay, letters लाई join गरेर हामी word पनि बनाउने रहेछौं हैन ल हेरौं त next look there read it once more. Okay, H, E, A, D, head. Next one, it makes head. H, A, D, head. And next one, H, E, then it makes H-E, he. Okay, in this way we make words joining letters or the alphabets. Okay, now we have a last activity, that is writing, that is to copy. It is for you to do. Okay, are you ready to write? Look at your book. There is it is given in page number 64. And I have also brought here. Now you can look here and copy the letters here. Okay, माथि हेरेर यहाँ सार्ने, बुकमा हेरेर कपीमा सार्ने है. You have to write down, you have to copy the alphabets in your notebook or copy. Okay, so all of you get ready with your full line copy and pencil. Look here and try to copy. Okay, now you have to first of all write what is this. H and H. uppercase H and lowercase h. Okay. First of all, draw the line from here to here. Okay. And next line also same from here to here. And draw next line in the middle H. Okay. This is uppercase H. And lowercase h, start from here, this line, red line, leave here, and next make h from this line. Okay. This is lowercase h. And what is this? This is G. Yes. Uppercase G and lowercase g. How do you write G? First of all, start from here and grow here. Leave it here. Okay. Again, go slightly above and do this. Okay. This is G. And next, lowercase g. Make a circle here in the middle. Yes. Make a circle. You can also draw a line from here to here and like this, and make a circle here and make G. Okay. Next one, F. Where do you write F? Look here. Uppercase F and lowercase f. Start from this line and draw a line here, draw a line in the middle. This is F. Okay. This is uppercase F. Yes. And again lowercase f. For lowercase f, draw a line from here to here and slightly bring here. Then draw a line from here to here. This is lowercase f. And what is this? This is E. Yes. Now E, draw a line from here to here. Then do this, do this, do this, and now lowercase e. Write lowercase e in the middle. Okay. Okay. In this way, you can copy them in your notebook. I hope you are doing. Now you have to once more copy the same letters, copy the same alphabets in your notebook as your homework, and show it to your parents or your senior. Okay. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's class and learned to write and trace over the alphabet H, and you also learned to copy the alphabets, and you also learned lots of words starting with the alphabet H. This much for today. We'll see in our next class. Have a good time. Bye-bye.